All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public.
India's next generation air defense system, the Akash-NG, new generation, surface-to-air missile, SAM, is poised for its final round of high-altitude trials in the coming months, marking a critical step toward its induction into the Indian Armed Forces. Developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and produced by Bharat Dynamics Limited, BDL, and Bharat Electronics Limited, BALE, the Akash-NG is nearly cleared for operational deployment following a series of successful tests. This milestone reinforces India's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, showcasing indigenous innovation in countering advanced aerial threats. The Akash-NG, designed to succeed the Akash and Akash 15 series, boasts significant upgrades, including an extended range of 70 to 80 kilometers, up from 25 to 30 kilometers, a dual-pulse solid rocket motor, and a Kuban active radar seeker unveiled at Aero India 2021. Its active electronically scan array multifunction radar, MFR, and optical proximity fuse enhance its ability to neutralize high-speed, low-radar cross-section targets, such as stealth aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. With a canisterized launcher and reduced ground footprint, the missile offers greater mobility and deployability, making it ideal for India's diverse terrains, including high-altitude border regions. The upcoming high-altitude trials, expected within the next 2 months as per posts on X from 22 February 2025, will test the Akash-NG's performance in extreme conditions: thin air, sub-zero temperatures, and complex mountainous terrain critical for defending India's Himalayan borders against threats from China and Pakistan. These trials, supervised by DRDO and the Indian Army, will validate the missile's propulsion, electronics, and seeker performance at elevations up to 20 kilometers. The Akash-NG builds on the Akash Prime's high-altitude optimizations, with a first-of-prototype model, 4PM, incorporating enhanced capabilities for these tests. Previous tests have demonstrated the Akash-NG's prowess. On 12 January 2024, it successfully intercepted a high-speed, low-altitude unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, at the Integrated Test Range, ITR, in Chandipur, Odisha, validating the entire weapon system, including its RF seeker, launcher, MFR, and command systems. Earlier trials in 2021 and 2023 against electronic targets and Meghat Banshee drones confirmed its all-weather capability and precision against agile threats. The system's 96% indigenous content, supported by over 250 industries, underscores its role in India's self-reliance drive. The Akash-NG's cost-effectiveness, with missiles priced below 22 crore, compared to 75 to 6 crore for Western equivalents, and its proven performance in real-world scenarios, such as Operation Sindoor in May 2025, where the Akash system neutralized Pakistani drones and missiles, have bolstered confidence in its induction. The Indian Air Force, IAF, and Army, which operate 15 Akash squadrons and 4 regiments respectively, are expected to place orders for Akash-NG in FY 2026-27, with full-scale induction anticipated soon after user trials. Armenia's 2022 purchase of Akash systems for 76,000 crore highlights its export potential, with interest from nations like Brazil, Vietnam, and the Philippines.